Hello guys, welcome back with me Kevin in Gavino Labs. So I think this video is gonna be a bit different rather than the usual video because I'm gonna use English in this video. So bear with me whoever Indonesian who watch this video and don't understand aku gak tahu bahasa Inggris bang. Don't be worried, just turn on the subtitle. I will put subtitle in it. So, what we're gonna do today? We're gonna open an old PC that came from my father's company that has been used for almost 2 years. So, let's open it and I'll show you guys what it's look like and what is inside. I don't even know if there's any hard drive in it, SSD, what's processor it's being used, motherboard, memory, how big it is, and yeah, let's open it. So this is the computer that has been a while in the storage room, and I'll pull it out, clean it up a bit outside, but I haven't opened it yet. So let's try to open it together, guys. I'll grab my screwdriver and I'll pull this thing a bit. Let's put it here. What we do have here, 2 screws. We should take it off to open this computer. 1 screwdriver and another screw. Perfect. Okay, it's coming off. And let's open the case and let's see what's inside of this case. A lot of dust in it. Oh, there's an SSD in it. Perfect. Let's pull these things off and let's see what is inside. So what is this? A Kingston SSD. Where I can see the storage. Oh, 120 GB in it. Oh, nice. That's nice. Probably I'll use this as a backup hard drive for my server, SSD servers. Okay, let's put these things on my left. And then let's pull this hard drive off. Let's pull the cables off first. And then we need to unscrew these things. That's it. Hope the other side doesn't have a screw. Oh yeah, damn it, there's screw in it. So I think we should unscrew another 2 screw and other 2 screw that holds the hard drives in the place. So let's unscrew this. Oh, there's only 1 screw in it, so let's do a quickly unscrew the screw. And let's pull this thing off and see how it's very dusty. But yeah, anyways, it's a Seagate Barracuda 1 terabyte. Nice, 1 terabyte. Guaranteed by MFI Indonesia, the distributor of Seagate, and also ew, what is this junk? What is this junk, guys? I don't even know what is this, but yeah, we'll clean it. And I think we'll put it into my home lab servers for this SSD and also for this hard drive, but I'm not sure. I think I'll probably just use this hard drive first and we'll see what we're gonna do with this SSD. So okay, let's put this aside first and we'll try to close the PC first. Let's put these things back there. Yep, fits perfectly. And then what we're gonna do with these 2 drives, I think I'm gonna clean this up first and then I'll put this aside, save it, because it's very pricey right now. So as you guys know, I do have a home lab servers that running on Proxmox. Also, I do have TrueNAS in it, and also I did run or install TrueDrive in here. as a TrueNAS drives, and also one SSD Adata SU800 for my VM. Quite good, right? But we'll try to install this new discovery of us, the Seagate Barracuda 1TB of hard drives in it. So let's go. Let's turn the HomeLab server PC off and then we'll install it. But anyways, I need to think something because I think the cable is not long enough. The power cable from the power supply is not long enough, so probably I'll need to let's see what we can do about this. Yucks, bad situation. Let's see. So guys, I'm coming up with idea of this paper. I'm not sure what is this called in English, but probably I'll try to cut it down and then I'll put it something in here and we can put it the Seagate Barracuda on top of this Western Digital hard drive. Okay, so let's cut this thing up a bit and let's put it on the top of the hard drive. Probably something like this. Maybe it's weird. And let's see whether it's covered enough. Yes, it is. Okay. So next step, what is it? We need to put these things on top of the old drive, and then we need to put the cable, the power cable on. Okay, it's already inside of the port. We need also to put this SATA cable on the hard drive. It's a bit messy, guys, but yeah, anyways, it works, so I don't care. I'll just try to buy a 1U or 2U PC server case in the future, and I'll make a video to put it inside and just flexing in it because I already bought this server rack, but I haven't used it properly, so yeah, it's getting dusty, and yeah, my cable management still sucks. Anyways, it's already put it on. I've installed, clean a bit of dust from my HomeLab PC, and let's try to start it, and hopefully it's not getting boom. Okay, it's turned on, but it seems, I don't know, I heard some coil wind sound in it, but yeah, anyways, I don't give a shit about it. So okay guys, the hard drive it's already installed, and let's see in the Proxmox UI whether the hard drive is detected or not. So okay guys, this is my Proxmox. I'll try to look into this first, and let's see whether it is detected or not. So this Western Digital Adata, it seems it doesn't work. Oh damn it. So we spend things that doesn't even work. So yeah, that's it guys, it doesn't work. So it's a bit sad. I'm a bit sad because yeah, I heard, not you guys, I heard a coil whine that the hard drive it's probably in a not good state, and yeah, we've seen it together in the Proxmox. It's not detected, but I'm not sure if I restart my Proxmox it will detect the hard drive, but I'm not take any chances to use the hard drive and put it to my TrueNAS pool because I think it's already in not a good state. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it when I talk in English, and hopefully I'll practice more in English, so just bear with me. I'll do a lot of English video content for the next few weeks or months. So that's it, guys. See you in the next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to click the bell notification button so you will get a notification when I'm posting a new video. So that's it. I'm sorry for my shit grammar because I haven't talked in English for a while. For 2 years, I haven't been a active English speaker. So yeah, that's it, guys. See you the next time. Bye.